Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix KRNL is currently patched. Please wait for an update error. So, if you are having this type of error on your kernel bootstrapper, don't worry, I will show you how to fix that today. So, the best approach is to wait up and wait for Roblox to send an update and which will eventually fix the bug. Sometimes what is happening that KRNL is not working with the current Roblox update, but when Roblox is updated, the KRNL bugs also get fixed. So you don't have to worry about that and just wait for it to update. The second method is to go to the browser, and what you're gonna do is search KRNL and go to kernel website and download it for free. What you're gonna do is go to KRNL website, and here what you're gonna do is update it manually. After that updating, it will surely fix the problem. So there you go guys, you have it here. Now you know how to fix kernel not working past problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.